Hey guys, I just want to stay real quick. I've been needing to get this video out by April, but I never really have because I've had kind of a lack of videos and photos and stuff, but I'll show you anyways. March 31st tornado outbreak. For this setup, there was a high risk located in southeastern Iowa and northwestern Illinois, and a southern high risk down south in Arkansas. As I was heading east on I-80, I went to North Liberty after the tornadoes and the storms have already passed Ottumwa, Iowa. By now, we were already heading on 218, waiting for the tornado to come here. Just before we left, I took a picture, and then we started heading northwest on 218. Disclaimer, what I'm about to show you is what you should not do during a tornado warning. Never head directly for the storm, especially if you're going in its path. By now, the whole tornado is rain wrapped, and this is extremely dangerous, especially because you will not be able to see the tornado. I'm going to demonstrate exactly where we were and how close we were to the tornado. I'd estimate where we were around 500 feet from the tornado. Also, sorry for the bad footage and bad audio quality. This is recorded on my old device. At this point, we had no idea the tornado has already passed us behind us while we're trying to go north to go back to North Liberty. But the tornado was definitely a good 500 feet. I have not taken a screenshot of this, but where the dot was like literally in the middle of the velocity, which is just crazy.
I'm proud to say, okay. That's just the rain. Oh my god! You fucking thing! You see we're not driving into another one? Oh, I stopped. I stopped. Oh yeah, we're almost on my I know where you are. Oh my god.
This is the aftermath of North Liberty. As you can see, there's sticks and leaves of debris everywhere. And even I saw a couple shingles and a huge thing of metal that got ripped off. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my short little video. This thing took me forever to edit, literally just about 3-minute, 30-second video. But I hope you guys enjoy and not what to do during a tornado warning.